Guys, welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a bit different. I can't speak today. Instead of showing you my little planes, we are going to an aeroplane museum. So come with me and I'll show you some of the things they have there. And apparently it's really good. So here we go. So here they have a aeroplane oxygen mask. Just look at that. So cool. So on to the next one. So this is the life jacket. You got the tube here, you got the tag, got the instructions. Such a cool museum. Oh my god, I'm so glad I actually came here today. What is that? Oh my god, it's the fire alarm. One moment, guys. Oh my god, the exit's this way. Oh my god. Okay, let's go outside.